guys, welcome to Venlo, Netherlands. Nasa Venlo kami, Netherlands. Nag-quick laag mi. One day laag lang. I think it's late now. Ano naman siguro, hapon na. Ito si Francis, natutulog si Francis. Wave here. Which way?
Yeah. It is very well.
It's raining. Alice good? Alice good, my dear? No. No. What?
Can I hear off English reden?
Yeah, you can English here.
Yeah, you do.
See? That's how useful the English, na?
Ja.
Welcome to Netherlands.
Jetzt schlafen Boden und muss essen.
Yeah.
You should have bring our dining table.
Camping. But it's yummy, yeah?
Yeah, it's really yummy.
But we didn't need to go to Netherlands for that, for gyros, pommes tzatziki.
Yeah.
Fries, actually.
Since I'm afraid to eat something else
Yeah.
that I don't know, so to be safe, eat gyros.
Anyway, it's yummy.
Yeah, it's very yummy. Our favorite. Look at that, guys. Ang daming tao doon banda, oh. Sa shops. Cheese here. Cheese shop. Ang ano dito, guys, hindi ko alam na ang Netherlands, ang wide ng mga streets nila ba. Hindi kagaya sa amin sa Germany na maliliit ang roads. Hi!
Guck mal, mein schöner Ding, Bangs. Mein an, mein schöner.
Ang mga tao din dito, wala sila gamas, pero gamas gihapon mi kay hadlok mi. You know na. Oh, nata si
Corona is life.
Corona is life, no?
Nein, Corona is romantisch.
We're in Netherlands.
Das Leben. Ja, ich hab gesagt, wir dürfen hier stehen.
Fanta.
Können wir hier Englisch reden?
Yeah.
Okay. Ja, ich
I'm waiting here. Because people are passing
We
there.
have to go this way.
This way? That way
To
they go.
Stadtzentrum. Also
Okay.
to Stadthaus.
Francene is here, nagtubil. Matulog daw siya. Patulgo na to. Last minute, biyan ni among pag-anhi diri, guys, kay sani? Last minute, nag-ano lang kami kanina kasi naubusan ang diaper si Francis at si Francine. Yeah. Tapos holiday man di ay sa pag holiday sa Germany, close talaga mga shop. So, sabi namin punta kami ng Hauptbahnhof train station. And then si Frank sabi niya punta tayo ng Netherlands kasi open ang mga shops dito kahit Sunday at kahit holidays. So, yun, wait lang guys.
Put it up higher. You see how many people are here. Oh, so good. Yeah, cut out.
But this is not good that so many people.
Is that yummy?
Look at that here. It's so nice here. Should take video here pa, oh. This ungefähr. Coffee. Pause. No? Pause? Is that pause? Called pause?
Cough?
Pause?
What cough?
No, pause? When you have toast in Deutsch?
No.
What?
A
Toast.
Prost.
Pause.
Cheers.
Finally, first coffee for the day. Second. Then you was a different flag?
It's the city flag.
Yeah?
Yeah. City flag.
I want to see Netherlands. What is it?
Yeah.
I never seen a Netherlands flag here. It's not yummy probably. It's yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ah, you're gonna pee, huh? There's no toilet here. It's tea, that means you're gonna pee more.
Das ist kein Tee, das ist Milch.
Just milk? Wait, it looks like...
Das ist Tee mit Milch. Nein, ohne Tee. Du kannst Tee aussuchen mit Milch oder mit Milch.
Watch out, there's car. They fall in line on that, guys, for so long. I could buy already a... Francine, watch out your ice cream. Francine is having ice cream and the girls is having... I don't know what is that name. Boba tea. Okay, we go. Papunta kami ng ano, guys. We go in the ano. What is that? We go in the harbor. Merong ano dito eh. Ang daming tao dito, guys. Super. Primark here. Primark nila dito. Suki ko pero ang taas ng linya, guys.
Wow, das ist
Ang liit ng Primark nila dito. Harbor nila dito. Ah. Look at that, guys.
Oh my god, das ist Eis.
Ah. Ang ganda. I want to go there. Tignan nyo, guys. Ang ganda dito, oh. Ang ganda dito, guys. May harbor nila dito, oh.
Vorsicht, komm mal hier rüber.
Oh.
Enten. Manche, das sind Enten.
Sila lang permi ang nasa video kasi ako ang video. Wala may mo video na ako, guys. So, sila lang akong ipakita permi. Ay, ginoo ko. Hala, grabe. It's so nice. Oh, I want a photo there.
Go around.
Swarm also here because mayroong sun. Ang ganda, oh. So, dyan kami galing sa loob. Daming tao. Ang ganda dito. Uy, oh. Ang ganda.
Primark, manggod nila, dako.
Malaki man talaga yung Primark kasi ang dami ng benta dyan sa Primark, guys. Ganda, oh. Ganda dito, guys. Awan. Tatayo dito, guys. Meron silang ano dito. Ang ganda dito, no, sa Netherlands. So, hindi man kami makapunta pa ng Amsterdam. Dito na lang sa kami. Malapit lang to sa Germany, guys. At wala kaming binayarang ticket. Kasi meron kasing monthly ticket si Frau. At pag holiday, free na ang family. Ayan. So, hindi na kami kailangan magbayad kasi dito, I think only travel by train by 45 minutes or 1 hour from the train station. And then, somehow, hindi na lang kami magbayad sa ticket guy. So, punta tayo dyan. Sila lang lagi kong pinakita kasi wala mong mag-video sa akin. Come on, I take photo of you there. Go back there. Go back there. I take photo of you there. Uy, careful!
Da, Francene, get a hole.
Here, in the crocodile.
Okay, and then da.
Crocodile dito guys, oh. Starfish ata. Wait, I take picture ko muna sa lagay. Starfish. Yeah, but please, uy, say hi first. You cannot just grab him and like that. So you need to say hello. There's Francis there. And you see Francis guys, naglalakad. Nakalakad din. Finally na. That's your brother. Nanghambog. May bata kasi doon. Oh. Sabi niya, that's my brother. Be careful, Francine. No, you cannot reach there, Vanessa. Yeah, but be careful, ha? Hold him. Yeah. Yeah. Be careful, Francine.
In the city, there was so full.
What? Look at that, guys. So guys, si Francine nalibang. Pauwi na kami. Tapos gusto niya magpupo. So namin diri ron. Francine doon. Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Tapos gusto niya magpupo. Inantay namin matapos kasi i-change ko before na pa kami punta ng train station. Doon sila doon guys.
We are leaving the city. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Did we meet?
Take it. So this is where we came from. Pauwi na kami guys. Pinlo. Can you show Pinlo? Kanina ang daming tao. Now there's no many people anymore. The name from Benlo is here pa.
You wiggle every time. You're no good. Shut up. So what do you wanna say?
Benlo. We're going back. In Philippines. In the Silver Day, guys. So that's the end of the koan. It's already na 7 p.m. no?
Yeah, almost 8.
8. Oh, see? Almost. You wanna drink something? You sleep now, it's okay. Tinanggal ko budget. You wanna drink something?
Kannst du ausmachen, jetzt kommen die Chaoten.
That's one video.
We are now in the right spot, 1A.
Ella, Alikinda on it.
I'm looking for some salty eh.
Yeah, the scar's thing. There's a lot come to
That's what I mean, but I find something. Not that you get dizzy. Okay?
Getting Ella poof.
How many minutes do we have pa?
I think about 7.
7? Okay. Careful not that you get dizzy, ha? Then you're gonna go in the bushes, then you get awa there. Francine. Look at that, Francis enjoying it. He cannot wait to do the same. Next year, Francis, your turn. And you're gonna splack them all.
Stop. When you go here, no, wait. When you see on front, you can stop.
Sa train station na kami. Antay namin ang train namin.
Like that. No, it's not.
No, it's not stopping. I don't think so.
You can press here again, and then there will something else go. Look.
Look, the other cars go. See, they're all working now. Yeah.
This kaput gegangen.
Stop already?
I see you stop.
Yeah?
Look at the other train there in the back.
Yeah.
Ihr habt gestoppt. Oh, warum?
Oh, it's okay, Francis. When you're big, you can see that. Yeah.
And now the train goes. Take the train, take the train, take the train.
Sorry, Francis. It's gonna drop by. If you take him out, it's gonna drop the... I hold it. You can see? Ah. Yeah. Cook. Look at that. Francis is looking for the train.
Oh,
Hmm.
du musst warten, Francene, bis grün ist. Francene, warten.
Now it's green.
Slow.
Der hat rot, die Ampel.
Ja, wo ich hier die Bitte ist auch automatisch.
Take the train, take the train. Now.
Hey, Francis.
10 Fahrt.